Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing something a little different. As you all know, we're all stuck at home because of the coronavirus. It's really annoying. So today I thought I'd make a video for you guys. So throughout the time that we're at home, some schools are closed until the end of the year. Mine's for now closed until May 1st. And so I decided to make some videos on how not to be bored. So this one is making slime. But the difference of the slime is I'm not choosing which slime I'm making. I put a bunch of options in these sunglass container. As you can see, they're all folded up equally here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We have like clear, fluffy, foam, butter, glitter. I think those are our options. So I'm gonna, maybe if we have time I'll make two, but let's pick out one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up. And wait, shake it up, and now this one. What slime will I be making? Slime with beads. Okay, so this isn't foam. It's basically just, you know how like you have beads for bracelets? I'm putting those kinds of beads in my slime. I actually love the slime because the texture turns out really good. Yeah. So let's go ahead and go make it. Okay guys, so most of my slime stuff is in the garage. So yeah. Going to go ahead and be making some slime. So we're making slime with beads, right? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 2 gallons of glue. Almost empty. This one's the white glue. This one's the clear glue from Amazon. School Basics. This one's Amazon. I'm gonna grab some spoons. I'm going to grab the rest of the stuff. But instead of making a bigger slime, it's right on outside. We're going to be making a tiny slime, kind of like a party favor that can fit like really, really tiny, which is going to be really, really cute. So I got, this is my bowl. And this is a container with some activator inside, just a little bit for my little slime. Right? I'm going to go ahead and pour in some of the white glue. Okay, got it open. Okay, so you can use white or clear. I'm going to be using clear because I can't really open the white right now. Closed it too tight last time. So we're going to pour in, that's enough. Some of the clear glue. We honestly just have a clear glue inside. So we're just going to go ahead and mix that up. Because that just helps with the slime. And if you want to make it like, I guess, stretchier and softer, you can go ahead and add this. Which also works as an activator. It's a gain. It doesn't always work, but sometimes it works, and it also makes your slime super stretchy and soft. So we're gonna go ahead and add it in. And this could also work for my color, if I'm not adding a color. So add just a tiny bit for now, and stir it up, and it's starting to form a slime. As you can see. Not only is it activating my slime, but it is making it stretchy and soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the beads. Okay guys, so the part where I made the, added the beads, it got cut out. So I decided to just make a new slime. And I'm going to make a metallic slime. So I already have the slime base. I'm going to add this metallic glue. Just a little bit because I already have some clear glue in it. So we're going to add just a tiny bit. And this is Elmer's glue. And none of these are sponsored. I just use these things for a daily basis. Okay, now we're going to add some. Now we're just going to mix it in. We're going to move that over there. Oh, it's turning metallic. Oh, obviously. And it's really pretty. It's nice. And it's nice and soft. And with the Gain, it doesn't really like stick as much as usually activator would stick. It's like less sticky once you start with playing with it. So we're going to go ahead and make a bigger slime because no one likes the teeniest slime. I mean, we do, but we want big slime. Yeah, okay. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in with the slime we already have. And we're going to add some more of the metallic effect on it. Okay, now we're going to add some more Gain. So yeah, I'm going to list, if you have never made slime, it's really easy. I'm going to go ahead and tell you a few ways to make slime. Take a glue, it can be clear glue, it can be metallic glue, any glue really. Well, hopefully. Usually any glue works. And go ahead and add an activator. You might not know what kind of activator to use, and you don't know if you have it at home. Well, you could use Tide, the laundry detergent, Gain, Borax, Stay-Flo. There's contact lens solution is really popular. I think the three most popular ones is contact lens solution and Tide and Borax. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend Borax though. And then you go ahead and mix it up. And if you want like a certain type of slime, like let's say you want fluffy slime, okay? You go ahead and add shaving cream inside before the activator. Mix it up and then add activator, have your slime. And when you're going in to make it, to like feel if it's good, I suggest only going in with one hand because you might not know if you need to add something. And then both hands are goopy, so that's why you only go in with one hand first. This one seems pretty okay, so I'm going to start going in with my second hand. Grab some from the bottom. It's getting a little stickier, but since Gain is really good also, I'm just not doing it. We're going to add some more Gain. And now you have your slime. Super easy and fun way to make slime. And slime is definitely something I would recommend playing with when bored because we're staying home for a while, aren't we? Cancel all the activities, cancel everything. Really boring. So we have this nice pearly blue, light blue, greenish slime. And I'm going to go ahead and clean in the remainders of the bowl. Kind of just knead it like if you were making dough. Put your bowl to the side. Ah! So guys, we had to change locations. Here's the finished metallic slime. Of course, it doesn't look that metallic now because with clear slime, it obviously takes a while. You have to like let it sit without playing with it for a few days, and then it turns out really beautiful. But other than that, I think we made a really nice slime, and I think I will go ahead and make another slime for you guys. Though all my slime stuff has magically, not all of it, but has magically disappeared. It's in one bag and I can't seem to get anything out of it. So yeah, I definitely recommend using Gain and Amazon Glue. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And you can never, ever, this is number one rule of slime. Never ever leave it out with something. Always have to leave it in a bag or a container. I'm running low on containers, so I'm using this bag. I have 50 bags in here, so. But this one turned out really well, so yeah. Okay, next slide. Alright, I think maybe this time we want white glue. We're going to add some Metallica glue to it to give it some color. And then we can bond the two slimes together, or we'll add what's it called? Model Magic. Oh, I wish I brought my lotion down here. You want to come out or just stay in there? We're going to leave that like that. Well, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. We're just going to make a nice clear slime. Why not? Clear slime, no color, regular clear slime. And the Gain doesn't actually have that much of a color effect, so it's weird. It has a little bit, but it doesn't really. It kind of like wears off. Oh, it feels so weird. This is like guts. And guys, if you could comment down below in my videos what kind of, any kind of video you would like to see from me, I will do my best to try and do it because I want to find videos to show you guys what kind of stuff you can do at home. I'm going to be posting a lot more because I have a lot more free time, because usually I have like an activity every single day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, and then on Friday and Saturday I'm busy, and on Sunday it's my day to relax. So, yeah. Anyways, the slime is coming along, and I will see you guys once it is a little more activated. Okay, so it's getting more activated. As you can see, it's not sticking to me as much. Sometimes you don't really need to add activator. This is just slime tips. Sometimes you don't need to add activator. You just need to knead it a lot. But it depends how sticky it is. Like if it's really sticky, add activator. If it's kind of like this sticky, just knead it. And if you're kneading it for a while, and it still doesn't happen to be less sticky, then add activator. So anyways, guys, these are my slime tips for you. And make sure to always wash your hands before and immediately after you play with slime. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment what kind of video you want to see. Subscribe to the #BiscuitSquad. And bye. Love you.